Person back to separate from everyone. And see, medyo before hindi ka dito dadaan kasi ulit sa Alpha Mart as always. May best pass nga pala dun, dalawa. Then time check 10:57 in the morning. Today is a Tuesday. Nagawa naman na lahat ng kailangan gawin earlier today. So as usual, naisip lumabas at gumala. So ngayon, papakit ulit tayo ng tags. Same route as nung huli, papuntang Amadeo ulit. So dun tayo magla-lunch at mangangape sa isa sa mga favorite na places kong pinupuntahan. Hindi na siya actually Tagaytay, it's somewhere in Batangas na, pero malapit-lapit pa rin. Testing ngayon ng camera mount setup na nilagay ko dun sa isang helmet ko. Previously kasi ang ginawa ko is naka neck mount lang yun, kaya kung medyo may mga noises and all, pasensya na kasi hindi ko sure kung ano yung possibly na magiging best setup para sa ginagawa natin ngayon. So later na lang ulit pag nasa Amadeo ako. 11:23 and may announcement from yesterday na multiple classes are suspended. So dahil nga sa elevated heat index na naman na nare-record ng ating country. So for everyone out there, mag-ingat, magbaon kayo ng water. And for those naman na talagang unavoidably kailangan ma-expose sa harsh heat of the sun, apply na lang kayo ng sunscreen or sunblock just to protect yourself sa harshness ng weather ngayon, dahil talaga namang ang summer heat wave is real sa panahon ngayon. So eto, nasa Amadeo na ulit tayo, and always the same thing. Lagi naman talagang very again, very inviting tong road na to. The roads here are very smooth talaga. So yun, like I said, paakit tayo ng tags muna ngayon, going to the spot na kung saan tayo maglalan. And yeah, so hindi ko na rin talaga i-record yung buong travel na naman to Amadeo because it's just the same nung previous vlog natin. So once we get dun sa may part na ng Tagaytay or somewhere very near Tagaytay, update ulit tayo. Okay, kaliliko lang natin dito sa may alternate route papunta na Tagaytay from Amadeo Road. So in a few minutes nasa Tagaytay na tayo, hopefully. Time check 11:42. And maganda pa rin ang weather. Surprisingly, it's a much more cooler day, but still for everybody na nasa labas ngayon, mag-ingat lang talaga pa rin. Hindi natin masasabi kung kailan na-atake ang heat na yan or yung init na yan. So it's always best to be careful. Yan, and like nung previous day, still the same. Ito, ramdam mo na talaga ulit yung Tagaytay weather. Like yung cold vibes, ito na ulit. Every time na dumadaan talaga ako dito, it never fails. Of course, it varies from day to day, pero generally it will always be on the colder side talaga, like today. So once we reach yung dulo nitong road na dinadaanan ko, that will be already very near sa Mahogany area. So just so pagdating natin doon, just proceeding straight, we'll turn right doon sa main road. Then just proceeding straight to sa tinuro ko before na papunta ng Twin Lakes. Doon actually yung same na road na dadaanan ko papunta doon sa kakainan ko for lunch today. So yun, basta mga magtatanong bakit solo na naman, typical talaga for typical activity ko talaga is doing solo rides. Not because na talaga na hindi naman talaga ako nagsasama, but again, it's also a way for us to separate from everybody else even for a short time. Diba? Kailangan din natin yun, na may ginagawa tayong activity that is that we are independently on our own. And riding is one of them. Like I said, riding will always be one of them. I will probably be riding until hindi ko na talaga kaya. Or pag masama ang weather, syempre mahirap naman mag-ride ng delikado. Yun, so this is talagang typical way ko of going out. For some people, they have different hobbies, they have different activities. So kung ano man yung ginagawa mo, tuloy mo lang yun. As long as alam mong it keeps you going, it keeps you happy, no one is hurt, no one is getting inconvenienced with what you're doing, go lang. And here, ito na yung way ng papuntang Twin Lakes. First is dadaan muna natin yung mga bulaluhan, yung lahat ng original bulaluhan. Wala sa kanilang Class A, wala sa kanilang second best. Lahat sila yung best and lahat sila yung original. Yan ang trademark ng Tagaytay. Lahat ng restaurant are authentic and original bulalo. Here, ito yung mga bulalo. Ito like here, yun, Bulalo Point. Yung katabi ng Bulalo Point is Marben's. Also a good place to grab your bulalo, lunch or dinner, kung ano man yung oras sa trip nyo. It's really good. And all ng mga nire-recommend ko sa inyo guys are restaurants that, or places that I have at least went back twice. Because for me to go back there twice, ibig sabihin okay talaga. May mga restos here and there na hit or miss, pero ganun naman talaga eh. Bawat person iba-iba ang trip, bawat person iba-iba ang panlasa, iba-iba ang appeal ng, let's say, ng ambience or ng way of paano niluto yung food or how it is served. So for me, yung mga nire-recommend ko is those that are, in my opinion, are places that I can really recommend to go. And dito pala, grabe na rin yung marami nang binasag ng mga establishments. Probably it's for modernization or road progression. Pero yeah, it's been only like a month or so na hindi ako pumunta rito, or maybe even just a couple of weeks. Marami na rin ano talaga ginagawa. So ito, dadaan lang tayo nung may slight diversion road here, cause yung main road ng going to the other side of papunta ng Twin Lakes is still really heavily congested. So ikot lang muna tayo dito sa kabila. At kayo rin, kung naisip nyo umakyat dito at nakita nyo medyo heavy yung congestion going straight from the road from, I believe that's Mendez, babala kayo sa dito sa Mendez, then follow this path. Not the smoothest, pero especially if nakamotor din kayo like me, ito yung alternative way para maiwasan nyo yung slight build up ng congestion that's happening over there. And it's been, honestly, napakatagal na rin panahon na congested yung kalsadahan na yan, which is unusual, pero still I can never answer bakit may mga ganyang roadwork na sobrang nagtatagal talaga. And see, nawasan na natin siya. Maybe in the next 20 minutes nandun na tayo sa sinasabi ko sa inyong spot na nakakainan for lunch. Ngayon medyo nararamdaman naman ko na yung heat, pero still nag-aagaw pa rin yung heat of the sun and yung cold air and cold breeze na nakukuha natin dito sa Tagaytay. But again, still overall it's so good. It's a good day. Any good riding day or any day that we can go for breaks like this, we should be thankful for. Yan, and even dito sa side of Tagaytay na to, there are also great and good restaurants and spots that you can visit. Some of them are here, baka madaanan natin shortly. Let's see. For those who's wondering, nasa ng Zuri, ito yung Zuri, like a zoo that's really very kids friendly. So one of another good restaurants that I've been through a couple of times is The View. By the name of the restaurant itself, it has a really good unobstructed view of the lake and the volcano, and food there is really great. Their customer service is also great. So it's one of another highly recommended restos that I can say. Ito naman to the right there, yan yung papunta ng Alfonso. So there are spots there na nasa Alfonso din that are good, but I haven't visited that area often kasi nga usually dito talaga ang punta namin, then heading towards Nasugbu. Medyo on this side, Restos here always has unobstructed views of the lake. Kaya compared to the other side where less is R, or the one near to sa Tagaytay Santa Rosa Rotonda, this side has more unobstructed views of the lake. Takes a bit more time para puntahan, pero it will be worth your effort since nandito na rin naman kayo sa area. I'm not sure if the mic picks it up. It's very windy at the moment. And for those who wants to bring home pasalubong or things to your friends, that's a good place to go. Cecilia's. Then ito, may patawid na sasakyan. Here is if for people looking for Sonia's Garden. Sonia's Garden is down that path. Again, a really nice place to visit, especially if you're like into mahilig kayo sa mga halaman, flowers. It's a well and good experience. Also, they have a bake shop over there, really good as well. Yan, ayan na si Twin Lakes. So again, today is a noontime weekday, so it's very likely na talagang medyo free tong area na to ngayon, free from the tourists. So yan, yun si Twin Lakes. It's a chain of restos and a view deck. So tayo going straight pa rin dito sa path na to. This road will lead to the first or the boundary of Nasugbu. And from doon, minilikuan tayo going to the place we're going. Ganito, road ng Paamuyong, or rather very common here, yung intermittent ng suddenly skies will be bright and then magfe-fade siya ulit, giving you a colder breeze. So that's always what happens with high altitude places like Tagaytay and probably like Baguio as well. Pero Baguio is on another level of lamig. And ito, two veterans fronting each other, and if you already come visit here and mahilig kayo kumain ng beef, ito marami dito, especially early in the mornings, maraming beefs dyan, maraming meat vendors. This road, yung nasa left ngayon, that's going to Lemery, and also if you plan to visit Fantasy World, that's the road you should take. Now we're already in part ng Nasugbu Highway. I'm sure kung buo na ba yung daan. Ano na? Buo na yung kalsada. Guys, this one, see, before hindi ka dito dadaan kasi medyo talagang bako-bako yung dadaanan mo. Talagang slight rough road yung dadaanan. Now, in a way okay na siya. So made it simpler. Wala nang ngayon. Wala nang off-roading na gagawin. Pero ingat pa rin kasi medyo madulas pa rin tong klase ng terrain. Before dyan dati ka dadaan guys, doon, sapat na yun. Ngayon tuloy-tuloy na siya, which is good. Makes it more simpler to travelers. And ito, view ng Mount Batulao. Ito, some twisty, so ingat lang talaga kasi mahirap talagang, pwede ka mawalan ng focus because of looking at the nice views while traversing or while dinadaanan mo tong kalsada na to. And we're here. And the view of Mount Batulao. And so far, nandito ako sa spot ngayon na saan ako lagi pumupunta. Pero for some reason, close pa sila today. I'm not sure kung bakit. Ito yung first time na pumunta ako rito na close to. Usually, open daw mga 9 naman eh. 9 AM pa lang. So, not sure kung ano meron today, but sarado pa to. Pero it's fine. Antay lang ako sandali. Antay lang if mag-open. But if not, then hanap na ibang spot. So yan, meron silang top deck na may tables and chairs din doon. Ito yung mismong main store. Sarado pa. Ito yung another dining area na may open view of Mount Batulao. Okay, so update ko na lang kayo later. It happens. Ito, another unobstructed view ng Mount Batulao. Okay, ito. Quick short break lang ulit sa Alphamart as always dahil ito lagi binabalikan ko. C2 Green. Di siya common sa mga places. So, si Alphamart lang yung consistent na meron nito. So, time check again. It's 1:09 PM na. Di pa rin tayo kumakain because hindi nga tayo nakakain dun sa Mountain View. And nandito tayo ngayon sa boundary ng Nasugbu and Tagaytay. Ito, heading towards ulit tayo pa Twin Lakes. So baka gagawin ko na lang is bumalik ng Dasma and kumain na lang dun sa or mag-order ng takeout rather because yung kinain ko namang turon from Alphamart plus yung half bottle na naubos ko na C2 Green is medyo okay naman, enough na kaya pa naman na hindi muna kumain kasi I had pasta rin early this morning. So luto ako ng sampasa and meron pa kasing sauce na natira from what I prepared the other day kay Talik. So yun yung kinain ko, maybe a single serving lang naman, not too much din. And also had iced coffee. Okay, as I was saying, ito, pabalik tayo ng Twin Lakes again, doing reverse route, going back to Dasma again. Ito, Twin Lakes. Ito, medyo bako-bako. Hindi naman lahat. May mga certain areas lang na may slight na mga bako-bako. Hindi ko na nga babatiin yung sunlight kasi maganda siya eh. Mamaya umangat na naman ulit. Okay. Medyo dumadami na naman ang mga bagong establishments here. Talagang Tagaytay weather ay yung babalik-balikan. So we're heading towards ulit sa yung epic bridge ng Tagaytay. Has been, I don't know how many years in the making. Ito, another mga dikit-dikit na meat shops. Again, kapag kulang kayo sa, or nabitin kayo sa inyong bulalo adventure dito, bili kayo and bulalo ulit sa bahay. 2-stroke. Kita na tayo naman ditong bagong possibly resto or commercial complex. Ito, mga fruits naman ang na-desire. Fruit stands, sunod-sunod na mga fruit stands yung nakadaanan lang. Bulalo Capital, medyo trending yan before. Haven't really went there to try the food kasi laging maraming tao. Most of the time kasi ayan ng mga friends or weekends. Syempre most regular people naman have day offs during the weekends. It's not regular or ain't normal na weekdays silang may day offs, unless of course naka-leave sila or their work really has a weekday off. Ito, very likely malapit na tayo dun sa legendary bridge ng Tagaytay. Medyo light lang yung build up ng traffic congestion because it's a weekday. Early afternoon weekday, so very, in a way, forgiving pa siya and manageable. Although kapag Sundays or Saturdays, I really say na magbaong kayo ng sobrang daming patience because panigurado ubos ang inyong pinondong bulalo sa haba ng babaybayin yung traffic, or better yet, avoid yung umabot dito sa part na to kung necessary, as much as possible. Kasi pwede naman din kayo dun sa kabilang side or umikot na lang kayo pa kabilang side ng Nasugbu. Gawin nyo na ring sulit yung adventure nyo ng Tagaytay and Nasugbu na loop or semi-loop. Then lumabas na kayo dun sa kabilang side. Pwede rin naman bumaba kayo ng pa kabilang side din ng somewhere in Batangas. Pwede rin kayong dumaan sa expressway from there. So it depends talaga sa inyo kung anong magiging preference yung pagbalik, aside from what do you call this, challenging or braving itong legendary bridge na to. Pero still, yung advantage naman nun is kapag nandito kayo, weather's really quite good. So medyo consolation price na rin yung malamig-lamig siya habang binabaybay nyo yung traffic if you're up to it. Then nasa Avasayin kanina, weekday pa to, and naman yung nasa left side. So do the math during weekends. Talagang patience and acceptance is the key. Pakita ko lang din sa inyo, pero babalik ako din dun sa road on the left side. I'm just gonna show you kung nasan si Cafe Moto. Gone in a few seconds. Where Petron is exactly, andyan din si Cafe Moto. Ito si Petron. Then this is Cafe Moto. So if you're in the area, dalawin nyo na rin to. Food here is good, mababait din ng mga staff, and also even dyan sa treats. Usually dyan ako bumibili ng mga pastry nila, dyan sa treats itself. Oh, ayan, again, yun si Cafe Moto. Dito lang tayo sa kabilang side. Ano mapakita ko? Ayan, there's Cafe Moto. Ito here, we're again heading towards the direction ng Mahogany Market. Okay, so pagbaba ng Dasma, magde-decide na lang ako kung saan ako kakain or if I will go for takeout and dalhin sa house or prefer something sa house. So mahaba pa naman yung distance and time. So just gonna be ending the vlog here, and remember that every day or every riding day we should be thankful for, and another day another room. Peace out.